All right, we lost internet connection, so we're back. So even my invisible, you guys have seen videos of that, and that's still my favorite. So here's the invisible. And then it stops in the raw wood. So even that red tries to jump through, but that's still probably the best. We've got a couple of stains on here, white oak stain, a weathered oak stain. That's pretty good, but it's not lighter. So I don't know if, back here we got a couple of more samples. We're gonna work this out. So these are nice. We got here the weathered oak and western oak. Again, it's kind of gets rid of some of the yellow and the greens. Now this one was bleached 3 times and then stained the weathered oak. So anyway, keeping you informed. Stay tuned.